I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by blending cooked vegetables into a smooth 200g mash to add moisture and flavor. Once done, measure and whisk 150g flour with 1 tsp salt and 1 tsp baking powder so your dough gets structure and lift. While you whisk, sauté a small chopped onion and 1 garlic clove in 2 tablespoons of oil to concentrate savory notes. Fold them into the mash. Make sure the wet and dry are combined into a thick pipeable paste, not runny, not stiff. You transfer the thick vegetable dough into a piping bag fitted with a 1 cm star nozzle to get the classic churro ridges. If too stiff, add 1 tablespoon water at a time. Once ready, heat oil to 170 degrees 180 degrees and test with a small drop of batter to confirm steady sizzle. Fry pieces 2 to 3 minutes each side until golden and crisp. Once golden, flip quickly for even browning. Make sure to drain on paper and keep a steady oil temperature for consistent results. You finish by seasoning immediately. Toss hot veg churros with salt and smoked paprika for savory or sugar cinnamon for sweet. The heat helps coating stick. Serve with a dipping trio, herbed yogurt, tangy chutney, or spicy ketchup to contrast texture and flavor. If churros go soggy, don't waste them. Reheat at 200 degrees in a single layer for 5 to 8 minutes to restore crispness. If oil smokes, reduce heat and replace oil. Make sure batter consistency and frying temperature are both correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.